had growing up was that guys will buy babes things. You know, when you are dating a guy, if it's your birthday, he can gift you something. And if it's his birthday too, you can gift him something. But mostly for us Niger girls, our gift never comes in terms of flowers. Let me say 90% of Nigerian girls living in Nigeria, you can't give them flowers and they'll be excited. No. So this story is going to center around these lovely flowers that I got from my girlfriend Edith. Yes. So anyway, to cut the long story short, and it was recently my birthday. I didn't really celebrate my birthday like that, but I had gifts. And thank you to everyone that gifted me. I wasn't expecting it. Someone gifted me a dress all the way from Austria. My sister-in-law, shout out to you, Sister Kate. And a friend of mine, Sheung, gifted me an handbag. And funny enough, the dress was a white dress. The handbag was a white handbag too. I wasn't expecting it. And one or two people also. Hello world, how are you all doing? My name is Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. If you're seeing my face for the first time. So I decided to do this video and I tagged it Never Say Never. It's a story time and I'm going to tell you a brief story. So growing up as a Niger babe in Nigeria, you know, I grew up with when you have a relationship, or the school of thoughts that we had growing up was that guys will buy babes things. You know, when you are dating a guy, if it's your birthday, he can gift you something. And if it's his birthday too, you can gift him something. But mostly for us Niger girls, our gift never comes in terms of flowers. Let me say 90% of Nigerian girls living in Nigeria, you can't give them flowers and they'll be excited. No. So this story is going to center around these lovely flowers that I got from my girlfriend Edith. Yes. So anyway, to cut the long story short, and it was recently my birthday. I didn't really celebrate my birthday like that, but I had gifts. And thank you to everyone that gifted me. I wasn't expecting it. Someone gifted me a dress all the way from Austria. My sister-in-law, shout out to you, Sister Kate. And a friend of mine, Sheung, gifted me an handbag. And funny enough, the dress was a white dress. The handbag was a white handbag too. I wasn't expecting it. And one or two people also, 2 or 3, 4, gifted me. Honestly, I wasn't expecting it. And for this, I am super grateful. And I even got a phone from my sugar boo, from my alpha boo, from my husband. I have a functioning phone, but he has been wanting me to change this phone forever and ever, even though I said nothing is wrong with the phone. So he got me a Samsung 24 Plus, which I've not even started using that phone. But I'm grateful. So honey, if you watch this, I'm grateful for the phone also. But among all the gifts I got, you see these flowers. Oh my God, the way I love it, the way I cherish it. Coming from a Niger babe. So story time, like I said, I got married. My husband is a Nigerian, full-blown Nigerian man, and he knows how to treat a Nigerian woman. And for me, flowers were not my thing. But I realized that after my 36th birthday, I started having love for flowers. And having lived in Switzerland for over 7, 8 years, then I started loving flowers. If I'm passing by and I see flowers, I will love it. And I started telling my husband that I'm liking flowers these days and I don't know why. And I felt because I was getting mature, but the man was not even listening because he was not used to giving me flowers. So on my 30th birthday, I took myself out and I got myself flowers, chocolates, and a bottle of wine. So when my husband came, he saw flowers. He was shocked. He bought me 2 canvases, then white canvases. And I appreciated it, but I love my flowers more. So in my 39th, I also bought myself flowers. So this is a shout out to my husband that please buy me flowers next time. And if you don't buy me flowers, I'll buy my flowers myself. And I think my girlfriend Edith, I've had an hint of it because we've been friends for over 11, 12 years now since I've been in Switzerland. And she was coming to my house. She bought me flowers. If you see the way I hugged her, the way I love these flowers, I said, so this morning, as I was cleaning the house, just tidying up, I saw the flowers and I was just admiring these flowers. I was just like, oh Jesus, these flowers are so lovely. These flowers are so gorgeous. And I was just serenading the flowers, you know, I'm telling you guys. So I thought to do this video to say never. Who would have thought that a Naija babe, Surulere, Ketu Ojota babe, will fall in love with flowers someday? So the way I love flowers now, I know that, I don't know why, but I think it came with age, it came with environment, and it came with just reinventing, relearning, reaccepting the concept of life. So if you're a Naija babe out there and you don't love flowers, you're missing out. There's this gym that flowers just does to you. It took me 38 years of my life to realize that. I wish I loved flowers when I was younger. The way I love flowers now, oh my God. So thank you so much, Edith, for these flowers. I love you. Thank you so much. Thank you for everyone that gifted me, my close family members. Thank you so much. Mega shout out to Sister Adese of the Adese TV. Thank you so much for the gift when you came for Sister Mary's birthday. Yeah. And thank you all for being here, even though I'm not being consistent. Thank you so much to you watching me. I love you and I appreciate you. So that's my little story about flowers. So never say never. No matter what anybody have done to you, never say never. Never say I won't forgive. You know, some people can hurt you so bad and you will never want to forgive. Forgive them, but set your boundaries. Some relationship can cost you and you say, I can't. Just forgive. And what is that thing that you think you don't like? Never say never. You never know. But when I say never, I'm not saying never say never to go and cheat on somebody's husband, though. I'm not saying never say never to go and sleep with somebody's wife. I'm not saying never say never to go and do what you will not be proud of. I'm just saying the little things of life. And there are some people, if they don't like something, the way they will condemn it. I think that's another thing that came with growth. But me, I've always been somebody that I'm always open-minded and very acceptance to a lot of things, except for one or two. If you know me, you will know that thing. So never say never. Anyway, if you don't like a food and somebody around you like the food, don't outrightly say, what is this? Is disgusting. No. If you don't like some people's way of life, don't outrightly discredit it. Even if it's the man and woman thing, woman and woman thing, even if you don't like it, just keep your opinions to yourself and don't come out openly. You can't even come out openly to condemn those people. So let's just leave those people in their own lane. But never say never to little things. If you don't like travel, never say never. But don't just say never, because me, I thought I would never love flowers. The way I love flowers now, oh my God. I love flowers. So Mr. Idahosa, buy me flowers. Don't wait for my birthday. Buy me flowers on Mother's Day. Buy me flowers on Valentine's Day. I love all those exotic gifts that you give to, like phones, like canvases, like handbag, like wristwatches, all those, you know, the Nigerian regular gifts. But had flowers to them. So thank you so much. Never say never. I'll see you in my next video. Please and please like this video, share it out for me, and make sure your notification button is on because YouTube views are very low these days. But don't give up if you are a content creator, if you have time. I've not been consistent because of time. But having said that, I love you all and I'm wishing you a great week until I come your way next time. It's your girl, Esther of the Esther's Chronicles TV. Peace out.